Assalamualaikum. Hi, this is PM Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher Science, Pediatric Secondary School, Loganarain. Welcome to our continuous online class. Today, I discuss an important topics for class 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The topics names punctuation and capitalization. Dear student, I use Bangla for your clear conception or clear understanding. So, please open your khata and use your pen. We discuss today punctuation and capitalization. First, I discuss punctuation. A word. The Bangla meaning of punctuation is বিরাম চিহ্ন। The word punctuation means বিরাম চিহ্ন। Punctuation is the art. Punctuation is the art of dividing sentence Punctuation is the art of dividing sentence to make the meaning clear. To make the meaning clear. অর্থাৎ প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আমরা বলতে পারি যে মনের ভাব, বাংলায় আমরা যদি এটাকে বিশ্লেষণ করি তাহলে বলতে পারি মনের ভাব স্পষ্টভাবে ব্যক্ত করার জন্য সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে বা সেন্টেন্সের শেষে এই সেন্টেন্সে যে সকল চিহ্ন ব্যবহার করা হয় ব্যবহৃত হয় তাকে পাঞ্চুয়েশন মার্কস বা শুধু পাঞ্চুয়েশন বিরাম চিহ্ন বলে। So dear student, punctuation is the art which indicate the meaning clear. For clear meaning, punctuation is needed. So dear student, there are 11 punctuation marks. 11 points of punctuation marks are: number 1, full stops. There is a sign for full stop. Number 2, comma. There is a sign comma. Semicolon. Number 4, note of interrogation. Note of interrogation. There is a sign প্রশ্ন চিহ্ন। Note of exclamation. There is a sign বিস্ময় চিহ্ন। So dear student, there are 11 points of punctuation marks that used in our secondary level. So I discussed there are only 5, and then after I continue the class. Full stops, there is sign full stop, comma, semicolon, note of interrogation, note of exclamation. So I discussed punctuation is the art of dividing sentence to make the meaning clear. So I think You understand what do you mean by punctuation, and there are 11 points we discussed. Number 6, inverted comma. There is a sign, inverted comma. Apostrophes. Apostrophes. There is a sign. Number 8, hyphen. Dash. Number 10, bracket. Bracket. Number 11, colon. Let student, easily we can understand and differentiate or determine the some 11 points of punctuation marks. They are: number 1, full stops, commas, semicolon, note of interrogation, note of exclamation, inverted comma, apostrophes, hyphen, dash, bracket, and finally colon. The student we use the sign to correct the punctuation marks and capitalization. I also discuss capitalization today. To avoid some common mistakes, we should follow some grammatical rules. So, the student, I discuss uses of full stops and capitalization for today. So, open your khata and write some rules of using full stop. Rules of using full stops. Dear student, we should use full stop fully stop, longest stop of the sentence, অর্থাৎ সম্পূর্ণ থামার জন্য, সম্পূর্ণ থামার জন্য সেন্টেন্সের শেষে ফুল স্টপস বসে। It is the longest stop of a sentence. যেমন open the door. This sentence, open the door, দরজাটি খোলো। এখানে সম্পূর্ণ থেমে যাওয়া বোঝাতে সেন্টেন্সের শেষে ফুল স্টপ ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে। রুলস টু, সংক্ষেপিত শব্দের পরে ফুল স্টপ বসে। যেমন বিয়ে। USA প্রভৃতি। Dear student, the full meaning of BA is Bachelor of Arts. So it is the shortest form BA. USA, United States of America. The country name USA, United States of America. It is the shortest form of this country. So সো সংক্ষিপ্ত শব্দের পরেও আমরা ফুল স্টপ ব্যবহার করব। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, I hope you should write down these rules in your khata and revise it again and again and practice it for getting the full marks in punctuation and capitalization. I discuss a very important topics today, punctuation and capitalization. Class 6 and 7, a question come at the 7. Question number 7 indicates punctuation and capitalization. 6 and 7, question number 7. Class 8, question number 13 indicates punctuation and capitalization, and for class 9, 10 and SSC, question number 11 indicates punctuation and capitalization. So it's very important topics for your examination and getting a good marks, healthy marks. So uses of full stop, rules of using full stop completed successfully. Now I discuss the uses of capital letter. Use of capital letters. বড় হাতের অক্ষর ব্যবহারের নিয়ম। বড় হাতের অক্ষর ইংরেজি বর্ণমালা ব্যবহার। Dear students, uses of capital letters is also important to correct the punctuation and capitalization. Finally, so a capital letter is used. Rules of using capital letter. Using capital letters. Capital letters ব্যবহারের নিয়ম আমরা জানব। A capital letter is used to, a capital letter is used, a capital letter কোথায় ব্যবহৃত হবে? Dear students, we should follow some rules to use capital letter. Where to use capital letter, why no, where not? So rules number 1 indicates to begin a sentence. To begin a sentence, কোনো সেন্টেন্সের শুরুতে অর্থাৎ বাক্য আরম্ভ করতে আমরা যদি বাংলা বলি বাক্য আরম্ভ করতে, অর্থাৎ আমরা সেন্টেন্স শুরু করতে আমরা কি করব? সেন্টেন্স শুরু করতে ক্যাপিটাল লেটার লিখব। রফি goes to school. রফিক স্কুলে যায়। A student, here sentence start with Rafik. It's also a noun. It's also a noun. Noun is always capital letter. So number 2, rules number 2, to begin the first word of a quotation. To begin the first word of a quotation, উদ্ধৃত করা বাক্যে, উদ্ধৃত করা বাক্যে ক্যাপিটাল লেটার ব্যবহৃত হবে। ফাদার সেড টু মি, যেমন ফাদার said to me, go to school. Go to school. Dear student, here indicates a sign, inverted comma. So here a direct space indicates inverted comma used. And also there is a use of comma here, so So inverted comma and comma are also used to indicate a direct speech or direct narration. I later discuss in these topics. So rules number 3. To begin a proper noun, to begin a proper noun, এই যে নামবাচক কোনো শব্দের শুরুতে such as, for example, we know Delhi is the capital of India. We know Delhi is the capital of India. Finally, the sentence stops. Here we use full stops, and Delhi, a proper noun, India also noun. So you use the noun in capital letter and starting word we. So W is also capital letter. So you can understand where we use capital letters and where we couldn't use capital letter. Now we come to know the point that 3 common rules I discussed with you. Now rules number 4. Rules number 4. For abbreviation of the names, for abbreviation of the names of countries, official rank, official ranks, academic degree, etc., etc. For abbreviation of some countries, official rank and academic degree, we use capital letter. For example, dear student, USA, I also use it, the full stop, rules of full stop. SI, sub-inspector, capital letter is capital letter here. SDO, we use capital letter here. And then MA, Master of Arts, MBBS. So dear student, I discuss with you some rules of using capital letters. Here we use USA, SI, SDO, MA and MBBS. This is the abbreviation of some names of country, official rank and academic degree. Now I also discuss the rules with all of you. Rules number 5 indicates for God. God, Allah, Bhagavan, Ishwar, etc. And for his pronoun related him, and for his pronoun related to him. So dear students, for clearer conception, I use some Bangla. যেখানে আল্লাহ, ভগবান, ঈশ্বরকে নির্দেশ করা হবে, সেই সমস্ত দেবতার নামের যে প্রোনাউন বা সর্বনাম ব্যবহৃত হবে, সেখানে আমরা বড় হাতের অক্ষর অর্থাৎ ক্যাপিটাল লেটার ব্যবহার করব। such as, for example, pray to God for His blessing. For His blessing. So dear student, pronoun His also use here capital letter. God, here you can use also Allah or Bhagavan. This is the capital letter, use of capital letter, and the first sentence, first word pray, here the first word also capital letter. I discuss with you the rules number 1. So I also discuss with you some common rules you know in the previous class. Any noun, any name, नामवाचक, such as Tofik, Shofi, also I am Mizan. Also you can use capital letter here, the word rhyming or also capital letter. Some common rules here I used. I pronoun is always capital letter, and 8 মাসের নাম ও বারের নাম, month and days of a week, Monday, months or days, also used as capital letter, such as Monday, January, we use the capital letter, etc. So dear student, you know the 3 common rules used. নামবাচক কোনো শব্দে আমরা ক্যাপিটাল লেটার ব্যবহার করব, এবং আই সেন্টেন্সের যেখানে ব্যবহৃত হোক না কেন সেন্টেন্সের আই সর্বদাই বড় হাতের অক্ষর হবে, এবং মাস বা তারিখ হলে সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা অবশ্যই বড় হাতের অক্ষর ব্যবহার করব। স্টুডেন্ট, I discuss punctuation marks and capital use of capital letter here. You can get some rules to avoid the common mistakes in the examination. So I also discuss an example of punctuation marks. How you correct the punctuation marks and use capital letters to get the full marks in the examination. I use the name of our school is ADRA Secondary School. It is located on the bank of the river Ganga. It is a historical school. As a student, I love my school very much. BM Mizanur Rahman is my favorite teacher. He is an MA. Dear students, any passage will come to your examination. This is an example of a passage. You can correct the punctuation marks here and also use the capital letter to get the full marks of this section. Class 6 or 7, question number 7 indicates the punctuation marks. Class 8, question number 30 indicates the punctuation marks. And class 9 and 10, question number 11 indicates the punctuation marks. So, please correct with me. B, the first letter of the sentence, B, here T is used with the capital letter. The name of our school is KDRK. Here KDRK, the shortest form of Kola, Digolia, Raipasha and Kotakol. This will indicate capital letter K, full stop, T, full stop, R, K. Here is capital letter here. KDRK. Secondary here is also a name of a school. It's also capital letter. School indicates also capital letter here. And finally, the name of our school, KDRK, our school name KDRK school. Here we use full stop to finish the sentence. It, I use it. It's located on the bank of the river Naboganga. Here, N is used as capital letter. I, it is a historical, I use I, capital letter. It is a historical school, full stop. As a student, a full stop এর পরের অক্ষরটা হচ্ছে বড় হাতের, as a student, I, here I, capital letter here. I love my school very much. BM, a teacher name, B, M, a name is Janur. Rahman is my favorite teacher. He is borrowed capital letter here. He is an MA. অর্থাৎ MA একটা ডিগ্রি নাম, shortest form MA. Dear student, I hope you understand the punctuation marks and capital letter used here. Now, I can hope that you can understand this very clearly. Now, 2 key homework for your practice, and you should submit your homework after your school open. A is W for you. Bangladesh is a beautiful country. Bangladesh is a beautiful country. My cousin studies in Dhaka University. My cousin studies in Dhaka University. On day he said to me, will you come to visit me? Will you come to visit me? Dear students, it's the home activities for you. So practice it in your home and submit it to your class teacher after school will open. Now, I especially thanked all of you who see my online class. So dear students, thank you very much, and thank you all. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.